Here. Man, get off me, man. And make sure you hit
I'm gonna beat you. Keep on. Keep on. You get beat on camera.
Tell me what you want me to say. Why things gotta be this way? Tell me to leave, then you tell me to stay. He broke your heart, now you say you're okay. Tell me
what's good, Josh? Your boy Ace.
And it's your girl Alyssa.
And
oh, we in the building.
Back bringing you another fire video. Because remember, giving you what you need. Not what you want, but what you need. So today is I don't know what day of quarantine, but we will be we will be reviewing the Giantex Portable washing machine. Ooh, my bad.
All right, so we ordered this off of Amazon. It cost $200, and then we paid $40 for 5 years of warranty.
That's a
so
long
it's
time.
a washing machine and a spin dry. The washing machine holds approximately 11 pounds, and the spin dry is 6 pounds. So we're gonna show you guys how we wash our clothes with it. We've had it for a day. We've washed a couple loads, so we already figured out how we like to do it. So we just want to show you guys and let you guys know that it works, and it's a great price, believe it or not.
Yes.
So let's get this pulled
And
over.
beware of the bacon strips that might be showed in this video. Now let's play with you.
All right, so we're gonna throw some clothes in there.
Load it up.
You don't want to fill it too much because after all, it is a washing machine, so it has to spin.
Load it up. Oh yeah, for y'all who don't know, this is the washing part. You fill it up with water, and then you put it in this part right here. Oh, I hit the mic. I'm so sorry.
To spin dry.
To spin dry. Look at that.
Right, don't get it wet though.
Don't touch me. Now that the water is, the clothes are in there.
Babe is gonna add the water. So we used to use it in the washing machine, washing machine. We used to put it in the bathroom yesterday. That's how we did it. We put it in the bathtub and we just filled it up. We put it on top of a dolly because it is gravity. What is it called? Gravity drain. So you have to have it high up. Right now, it's using a mop bucket. So we're using the cider mop bucket that we have, the spin mop. So babe uses that. So we fill it up twice. And then that's just the perfect amount of water.
You didn't take the drain off.
And we left the drain on.
Please don't say we, because then people think I did it with you. You did that shit with me.
I left the drain on by mistake. Okay, so right here is how long you put it to wash. So we put it for 15 minutes the first time. Right here is soft, normal, and drain. So when you're done, you drain the clothes, put it on this side. You can put it for soft, we keep it on normal, and then the spin dry is 5 minutes at a time. So my dumb ass left the drain on, so that's why you heard the drain emptying. Alright, so let's do that again. Babe is going to get the bucket of water because we have to put water in it. Definitely have to put water in it.
I'm in the building.
So let's try that again. 2 more buckets of water. Because we done effed up the first time.
Stop saying we.
So that's 1 bucket of water.
I gotta go back. This is some bullshit.
We in the building. So right now I'm gonna add a little bit of fabric softener. You don't want to add too much.
Just a dab.
It's supposed to be 2 tablespoons.
Dab.
And then we're gonna add a little bit of gain. Not too much.
Dab.
After all, you are doing small loads. And then we're gonna close this baby and set it for 15 minutes, and it's all good.
Now, time to speed up the process.
Alright, so right now what we're gonna do is, he already drained it, we washed it once, And now we're gonna put 2 more buckets of water, and this is gonna be the rinse cycle. And then after that, it's gonna get drained. Little by little, we're gonna start putting it in the spin dryer. Once it's out of the spin dryer, to hang it goes.
Alright guys, we are back. As you can see, we're moving everything to the dryer side now. And if you saw, we did wash it twice. Once is to get it sudsy and clean. The second time is to get the soap out the clothes. You did? Okay.
Yes, you definitely gotta rinse it. Alright, so the rinse cycle is done.
It's done, mother.
Woo! Okay.
Sorry.
Right in there. So you're gonna lift this lid. Before I do that, let me drain this shit.
Gotta drain it again.
Hit that drain.
Hit that drain action. All that. Pause. Never mind.
That's different. That's different.
You got something you want to say to me?
Yeah, that's different.
Shut
That's
your
different.
ass up.
I'ma smack you. Keep playing with me.
Shut up.
Don't get smacked upside your head. All that water. Stop! Coño.
Oh my gosh, how long is this water taking? I'll call you troll.
Alright, it's drained for the most part.
Alright.
You're gonna lift this up. Lift this up. So it has this inside. It has this inside. You're gonna take that out. Put that to the side.
What is this used for, baby?
I'll tell you in a second.
Alright.
Gonna add some laundry. Remember, don't put too much because it spins. You want to make sure your clothes get pretty dry. So I'm not gonna add a crazy amount. So I want to make sure it gets it spin dry. All right, I feel like that's a decent amount. So come show them how much we got in it.
Oh,
It's not a crazy amount. We're gonna add this.
that's to push it to the bottom, you know.
The trick is to push it to the bottom, but you have to make sure you lay it as flat as possible. So come see how I laid it. You gotta lay it as flat as possible.
flat as possible.
You're gonna close this. Bam. 1, 2. All right.
Oh, and tree.
Now we're gonna start the spin process.
Now she's
And
drying
look.
up. And look, there we go. It's already draining all that water from our clothes on the drier side. But all right, y'all. So what do you give this right here, babe? What we rating it out of 5 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I give it an 8 out of 10 because that shit woke me up this morning.
It's
But
alright. You
it's
live.
very convenient. I like it. It's cool to have in the house. It doesn't take up too much space.
I love it. I don't know why, but I don't know. I just love it.
And definitely in the time, the way we living now, you know, quarantine and everything is good to have.
It's a bit of a workout, but the only reason it's a bit of a workout right now is because we don't have it in the shower because his mom works from home. So I didn't want it to be super loud, like while we clean. So I was like, we're just gonna do the laundry in the room and we'll just take the buckets.
Y'all
like, one by
didn't need to
one.
know all that. Don't worry about when my mama work.
No, I'm just saying it makes it easier if you do have it in the bathtub. But when you do have it in the bathtub,
Man, get your
remember-
gains up. That nigga, man, do some
your
push-ups.
ass
Man, I know
up.
y'all ain't doing no push-ups, no quarantine.
Alright,
Get off
anyways.
me, nigga.
Don't fuck you up, yo. Anyways, when you do put it inside of the shower, make sure you have it lifted up. So what we did was we bought a dolly and we stuck this on top of the dolly just to make it easy to move. It only weighs like 17 pounds without the water and stuff in it. Put it on top of the dolly inside of the bathtub because the drain has to drain out. It's a gravity drain, so it has to be leveled a little bit higher. But yeah, we put it to spin dry depending what it is. I usually put it, since it's 5 minutes, I'll put it like 2 times. It comes out for the most part dry. Like the only things that don't come out dry, of course, are like sweatpants and denim. But that We're gonna put it 15 minutes, and then after that, we're gonna hang dry it. Everything gets hung dry. But in my opinion, it's a pretty good deal. I don't have to go outside. It's quarantine. I don't want to be in a laundromat where a whole bunch of people are touching shit, dirty. Nope, I don't gotta do any of that. We stay home, we get the job done. Definitely a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Alright guys, so make sure you like, share, or subscribe. Because if you don't like, share, or subscribe, then it doesn't count.
It doesn't count.
That's my ear. Man,
You'll
get
be
off
alright.
me, man. And make sure you hit
I'm gonna beat you. Keep on. Keep on. You get beat on camera today.
make sure you hit the notification bell so you get to see more videos like these, because we are all, I am awesome. This chick is a pest.
We are awesome. That's what he means to say.
Shut up. Shut up.
They taking food off my plate, so don't tell me relax. I see you living real good. This is your luxury tax.